Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to the channel. It's been a reasonably wet first thing morning and
intermittent day.
Intermittent day, yeah. Bit of sunshine and rain today, but we're just setting off, having had a bit of lunch to go down into Tobermory, and we're going to visit some of the shops down there.
Yeah.
But also go along to the lighthouse.
Yes. We're going to find a lighthouse, an ice cream, or maybe both. All being well.
That's if the dog doesn't have me over and break my leg
the dog
while
doesn't
I'm walking.
do it, yeah.
It's not the easiest thing to do, is it, to do a walking video with a dog? But I think the good thing is she's having a whale of a time.
Oh, she's enjoying it, yeah.
We actually tied her out yesterday, so she was quite tired this morning, so we're giving her an easy start and we're just taking her out for a slight walk now. But just have a look around the town again. Went down there last night for sunrise, which was really good. But it'd be nice to see what it's like during the day when the shops are open.
Notice Marty's not mentioned the whiskey distillery either.
Well, some things are best left unsaid.
Unsaid.
Otherwise I'll play my other card, which is the gin distillery.
Gin distillery, of course, yes.
Which I noticed you were penciling in for the weekend.
For the weekend, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Good stuff. So keep with us and we'll show you around Tobermory when we get down there.
Cause you're not good at hiding that smile on your mouth. Even though you're far away, you're still my closest friend. And I won't be myself until I hear from you again.
Well, this is the Isle of Mull Ice Cream shop. And, we're making a purchase. Very good.
Lemon meringue.
Very nice. Well, I've got
Very nice.
salted caramel.
Salted caramel and lemon meringue.
Brilliant. Yeah, it's fallen. The tree's been ripped up from there. It's clearly fallen across the path, and then they've sawn it here and pushed it over the edge. And sawn that one as well to make room for it, no doubt. And then pushed it down there and across there with the water. The shop. Sea kayakers in the water. Well, the rains have come in, but hey, this is Scotland. It's another Caledonian McBrain boat. They really are a good company. We've used them to get to a number of the Scottish Isles, and we've booked again for this summer to use them again. And they're very good, very helpful with staff, help you get on and off the boat with your vehicle quite easily. It's sort of a piece of cake for them. And certainly spoke to a couple of people recently who are a bit bothered about taking big motorhomes on ferries, and it really isn't a problem. These guys will get you on. Well, here we are at a lighthouse whose name I can't pronounce, so I'll have to put it in the text below. But it's an interesting lighthouse, a bit different. They're all different, really. It's easy to say that it's now raining quite heavily, but Helen's been a good sport so far.
Oh yes.
Not too bothered so far, are we, love?
No, no. You know what they say? There's no such thing as bad weather, just the wrong clothes.
And being from the Yorkshire Pennines, we can deal with a bit of rain.
Yeah.
So it's yeah, mid-afternoon, quite murky. I wonder if it'll get light again for the day, but it's certainly setting the rain now. But that's Scotland. You take the rough with the smooth. It's beautiful whichever way you look at it. So I'm going to try and take a moody picture of this lighthouse now, and we'll see how we get on, should I say. There we go, the lighthouse.
Ruba Nagal.
Ruba Nagal. Yeah, that's Ruba Nagal, pronounced with a Yorkshire twang, with maybe just a little bit of Norfolk in there, my lovelies. You never know. But there we go. I love lighthouses. There's just a story in every one of them.
Yep.
And not just of the structure and the events that they've guarded against, but I find the solitary figures of lock keepers very interesting, and the whole story has been pretty interesting. That is the lighthouse cottages. Showing the weather was a little bit better for taking a photo, but there's still something nice about that moody Scots sort of feel to it. You get a sense also that the rain sometimes goes away as quickly as it comes in, so hopefully that'll be the case, and we'll get some time this afternoon without rain. But yeah, we had a good day yesterday, so we'll take the rough with the smooth. Well, as quick as the rains came, they've gone again, and it's quite a nice evening now, or certainly late afternoon. Who knows how long it'll hold off for, but it's nice now. So we're making our way back down the coastal path now, back towards Tobermory. It's been a good little walk, really. We're still limited a little bit on distance with the pup, only been 6 months old, but she's done very well today. She's currently biting Helen's trousers, as pups do. And she's wet through and loving it and doing an impression of a very happy girl, but that's only to be expected, really. She loves the van life. So we're going to push on back to Tobermory and see if the whisky shop's still open. You never know.